Welcome to Trading Lounge in the US stocks for the 8th of July, and it's Wednesday. So we do Microsoft, Tesla, and I'm not doing AMD. I'm going to change that, and we're going to go for InVitae, so that's NVTA. So just starting with Tesla here, we've seen this powerful move to the upside here. So I'd had to extend wave 3 here in terms of wave 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 here. So we can expect it to move up a little further here in this case, up into the 1500, which is a medium level. So we'll have to reassess the count as well and expand that Tesla count out further, and this is what it would look like here for this. So let's give me a minute to get it into perspective here. So wave 1 and 2 here, then 5 waves up here for 1 and 2, and then the third wave up through here. I might have to relabel this, but wave 3 here. So we can expect it to continue to push up into the 1500, which is the medium level, and then look at an ABC pattern here, and then a move up into 2000 at that point. So in terms of trading this now, we really want to sort of wait for the pullback within all of this here after correction. So we need it to this move to top out here and look for this ABC pattern back for wave 4 here, and then we can move in for this, and this will go when this pulls back for wave 4 here. We're going to put this into our longer term portfolio at this point. Okay, so we can have a look at Microsoft next. So with Microsoft here, we're counting this here in terms of, well, pretty much just up for wave 1 here and pulling back for wave 2 here. So this top may be in place here already for this market. I'll just go into the intraday and check that out here. So we'd been trading long and tracking this to the upside, so we need to get out now. I haven't actually pulled this apart here, but it's there may be another little move to the upside here for this, but it should complete soon and we should see a move back into this level here before we see a move to the upside from that point there. It's with all these levels actually. I'll explain this in a moment too, with the classic trading levels pattern at these particular levels here. So the other stock, the new stock that we want to have a look at here, where are we? InVitae here. So let me just go to the weekly chart here. Now this stock is in the Geno area, in the Geno testing area here, and what I notice about this here is that from this particular low here, we've got a really nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for wave 1, and then an A and a B and a C wave for wave 2 now, and now we're going up into a third wave here. So this is a disruptive stock, and will continue to move higher here. So being wave 1 and 2 here, then we'll be looking for wave 3 to the upside. So this wave 3 here. So we'll need 1 and 2 and 3 here and 4 here and 5 here to make wave 3. So there's plenty of space. This company is just starting to move along nicely now. And let's just go to the daily chart. This is weekly, and we'll just check out this particular move in here. So okay, just squash it up so you can see it. We've got our 5 waves up here for an impulse wave, a corrective wave here, and now we're going higher here. So nice gap in the third wave here. So also to here, this is where we'll see this will top out at some point here. We're going to see an A and a B and a C wave here. And then we'll see a move up, and then an ABC back again, and then up from that point there. So what we want to have a look at here is really just the setups here, and this goes for Tesla, and also Microsoft as well. So at these levels here that we're looking at, we're looking for two patterns. So this is the most common one, the classic trading levels pattern, where we have the arrival, the reaction, and the first high above the level. So in this case here, we've had the arrival here and the reaction. This is the first high above the level. So we're looking for this corrective ABC pattern to come into play here. And we'll pick the stock up here, and we'll also pick it up here. We don't want to, because it's doing the first high above the level in 5 waves here, we don't want to go chasing it. Yes, there can be another little high here as such, but I can see that it's tiring out here, and we'll catch this pullback here. So the arrival, the reaction, the first high above the level, and then the A, the B, and the C here, and we'll pick it up at this particular point here. But this is definitely going into the long-term portfolio stock portfolio, and also too, we will also be looking at trading some of these in shorter term time frames as well. So in a portfolio stock, we won't be getting out at wave 2 here, but in the trading account, we will be trading from wave 4 to wave 5 and getting out. Okay, so that will become apparent as we move along. Alrighty, I'm going to leave it at that today. Thanks for tuning in. Cheers.